Basketball is my life, but my life is a whole lot more than basketball. What's up, guys? Hey, Sid. I see you went to Michigan.
Yeah, I did. Back in 2009.
You know, I had a teammate that went there.
Hey, do you guys know each other?
Nah, man. First time meeting.
Brad, let's start with the monthly update.
Let's go ahead and talk about the investment overview.
No matter where I am, I need to be connected and collaborating with my team. And I have a lot of teams.
Entering the paint is good, but I want you to get a little lower to get you right about here and attack the paint at a sharp angle. We're gonna save this to Webex so we can review it later.
Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing?
What's up, Spence? Check it out. We just posted a new design on OneDrive.
Nah, it looks perfect, but I need you to make that one change I suggested.
Yes, man. Sounds good. We will get right on it.
Between basketball, business, and giving back, there's always something new around the corner. But hey,
Just checking on you, man.
that's my life.
Love you.
And Webex helps me live it.